Okay, so we're going to have a look at this. So we've got all three different diagrams here that we can use to calculate probabilities from, but it's just a way of transferring information from one diagram to another, just so that you can see the relationship between them. Okay, so this isn't an extension task, but for some of you, you may find this reasonably simple. Some of you may find it a bit challenging, but it's worth just going through to have a look and see. If we just start off with the frequency tree, because that's the thing that's the most populated at the moment, we can use that to help us work out some of the missing values. So we know altogether there needs to be 80. Okay, 26 are people have a dog, and out of those, 11 of them have a cat. And therefore we know that these two bubbles here must make the 26. So I know that people without a cat must be 15 at this point. Okay. And then if we go to the bottom section, out of the 80 people, 54 had no dog, 32 had no cat, and therefore my 54 take away my 32 tells me 22 of them, though, do have a cat. And I can go to either of these two diagrams next to fill it in. Well, the first thing I can fill in on the two-way table is the fact that I know that there's 80 altogether, so that will help me with this bit. Okay. I also know that there are 54 people that have no dog and 32 of them have no cat. So in the no cat, no dog region, I can pop in the 32 here. Okay, I also know the total number of dogs is going to be 26. So I can pop this bit of information in down here. Okay, and out of the people with dogs, we know that 11 of them then had a cat, and we worked out that 15 had no cat. Okay, then we know with the no dog people, okay, that there are 54 in total, so I can pop that in down here, and we know 32 of them had no cat, and we worked out earlier that 22 of the no dogs do have a cat, so they would go in there. We can then work out our total columns, so our 11 add our 22 will give us 33, and our 15 add our 32 will give us 47. Okay, and we can double check that 33 and 47 do in fact make 80, and we can use that then just to help us fill in the Venn diagram. Okay, so within the cat circle, I need to make sure that I'm representing all 33 people. However, I know 11 of the people have a dog as well. So 11 are going to go into the intersection, the overlapping part. And then the other remaining 22 will go in just the cat section. Okay. And then if I think about my dog circle, I know 11 people have a cat, so they're in the overlapping part, and there are 15 people that have a dog that don't have a cat, so they are going to go in just this part here. However, this doesn't add up to make 80, so we just need to be mindful of the fact that when we add them up, we are missing the remaining 32 people that we have here that have no cat and no dog. Okay, so there is a fourth worksheet, which is an extension one on the Google Classroom for you to have a go at, and then mark your answers from there. Okay.